Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. And right now, we'll be discussing about how we can control the HTML CSS using JavaScript. How we can control HTML CSS using JavaScript. Here are some examples of what JavaScript can do. For example, JavaScript can change content. Document.getElement by id demo, as you can see, .inner.html is equal to JavaScript that we created earlier. We are going to style it using JavaScript along with the CSS. So don't you forget, in our previous tutorial, you can check our playlist on JavaScript tutorial, JavaScript crash course, or the JavaScript or our playlist on HTML JavaScript to find this little tutorial there. So back to our document to see what we are having. Right now we are having this. So in our JavaScript tutorial crash course or our JavaScript, our HTML JavaScript, you can find all this that we have done so far. So let me show you this now. Back to our document here. As you can see, we are having our script tag at the bottom here, while we are having our p tag at the top here. So we want to style our p tag. As you can see, there is no anything inside our p tag here, and the content inside our p tag is right here. Hello JavaScript. Let me change it to hello world so you can understand what I'm talking about. Hello world. Let's save it and reload our document. This JavaScript right here is going to change to hello world. Can you see? It's changed to hello world. So let's get back. What we want to do right now is that we want to change the color of this hello world to red. That's what we want to quickly do. We want to style it using what? Using JavaScript CSS. So the JavaScript, we are going to use it. We are going to style it using what? Our JavaScript. Now at the bottom here, you can write document again. Don't you forget, if you want to select an element, you write document.getElement by id to select an element that is having a specific id. Let's write specific id inside what? Parentheses and our double quote. So inside our double quote, we are going to give it a name. The name we want to style. That is the name we are targeting. As you can see, when I highlighted it, it shows that the p tag that I'm highlighting the p tag here. So I'm selecting the p tag. Then inside it, we need inner HTML. Inner HTML means that we are telling it that everything we are trying to do right here, make sure that it reflects on this p tag here. So inner HTML, right now we are not using inner HTML. So what we are using right now, back to our document, this is what we are doing. We are styling our document using what? Using our style sheet. But right now, this is the syntax from the JavaScript that we can use to style our document. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to write dot style. When we write dot style, is the color we want to change, we write dot color again. So when we now write dot color again, we are now saying is equal to. But back to our document, as you can see, what we are having right here, we are seeing dot style dot color is equal to red. Definitely we are changing this to red. And if it's fonts also you want to change, you will say dot style dot font is equal to the size of the font you want to use. And also if you are changing the background color, you can say dot style dot background color is equal to yellow. But one thing I want you to notice here very well is that the way we are specifying the CSS right here is different from the way we normally specify it inside our CSS file. Because in our CSS file, we used to have dash in between our text in case any text that is long like that, and most times it don't used to come with capital letter. Most of it used to come with small letter. So you should notice that also. So the background color right here also used to come with dash in the CSS and used to come with small letter. So don't you forget that. But in this JavaScript right now, it's coming with what? Without the dash. So that's what you should notice also. Any CSS that you want to use, make sure you find out how it works with the JavaScript before you use it. So let's get back to our document now, so you can see what is going to happen now when we use it. So back to our document, what we want to use is color. So the color is normal, as the way we normally use the color from our CSS. That's how it looks also here. So now let's specify is equal to red. Let's specify red and close it and save our document. You now see that any content inside our p tag here, the color will change to what? Will change to red. Let me do it like this so you can be able to see it clearly. You can see we are styling this p tag, every content inside it to turn to red. So let's reload our document now. This hello word will change to red. Can you see? Instantly. That's what is going on. Let's change every content inside this p tag to green. Then you are going to use your document.getElement by id and select the id that is inside the p tag, which is this we are specifying here inside our parentheses along with our double quote. Then we are using .style, .word and .color along with .color is equal to, we are going to specify the value in between our word, our double quote, which is we are going to use green here. So when we use the green and we're going to close it, that's all. Save your document and you're going to see this element right here is going to change to green. Can you see it turned to green? And you can specify any color. Let's give it yellow so you can see what I'm talking about. Can you see? And we can give it what? Blue. Can you see? So that's what is going on right here. Now if you want to specify background color, you can also do the same thing. Document.getElement by what? By id parenthesis double quote along with the id name along with the style along with the what? The background color, background. And don't you forget that the background color right here is not coming with dash. It's coming with what? Capital letter, and after the background you just write capital letter color. So it's going to understand what you are trying to say. Let us say background color is equal to let's give it gray, so you can see what I'm talking about here. And save your document. Let's reload it. You can see this place is going to have background. Right now it's not having a background. Definitely what we specify is not valid. We are using background color. So right here now we use gray and the gray doesn't work. Let's use yellow. Maybe it's going to work. Let's use yellow. Maybe it's going to work. So you can see what we are talking about. Can you see? It doesn't work. So why it's not working? Back to our document here. Maybe we miscalculating the style that we wrote here. This is style dot background color. The background is having what? Capital letter color. So that's what is happening. And as you can see, background, maybe our spelling is the one is not correct. I don't know yet. Let's just copy this so you can understand what I'm talking about. Let's place it right here so we can know the thing that is not correct here. So reload our document. As you can see, it's not working here. So quickly let's understand why is it not working. The reason why it's not working is that we have error somewhere. So I can find the error right here. As you can see, here is the error. Instead of dot, I put comma, put dot. When you place dot here, save your document and reload it, it's going to work. Can you see? It's working. So and also definitely you can we can pad our, you can specify padding and margin also if you want. So let's say for instance now we want to say document dot get element by id, which id inside the parenthesis, inside double colon, double quote, we want to use u, and we want to specify another thing. Let's say dot style dot let's say dot padding. Yes, let's just say dot padding. You see what is going to happen with our padding is equal to double quote. Let's give it 10 pixel and save our document. Let's see what will happen with our padding. Can you see? As you can see our padding. So that's what is going on right here. So in the later future, we are still going to talk about this thing very well. The width. Let's specify the width. Width. So let's specify the. Sorry, this is not inside CSS. Sorry, I'm trying to write it after it. So let's say we want to use width here. Width. Let's just see what is going on here and save it. Can you see the width of our p tag? Let's give it at least let's give it 50 pixel. Reload it. Can you see what is going on right here? So definitely you can specify different style here, but any styling you are about to style, make sure that you look at this thing very well, because here when we want to specify background color in the CSS, we normally do like this. We normally give it dash, and also the next thing that will follow it will come with small letter. But right here I notice is it is capital letter, and also there's no any dash there. That's what I want to let you know. Everything I'm doing right here, there's no any magic here. So I've already explained this in our previous tutorial. Even the width, padding, the background color, the everything I've explained it earlier. And all this syntax you are seeing here, you can watch our playlist from the start, then you can follow along easily. It's very easy. So let's just get continue. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Until the next.